Good morning to my dear classmates and lecturer Muhammad Aris bin Muhammad Saleh. Let me introduce myself. I am Badat, son of Panjacharam from DPC 1A and a student of Polytechnic Tunshid Nazir Sheikh Ismail. My matrix number is 33 DPC 20F2007. Okay, first of all, I would like to start my presentation with a proverb. It has becomes appallingly obvious that our technology more exceeded than our humanity. Why I am start my presentation with this proverb because there is a link between my topic and with this proverb. As we know, there in this proverb, which say by Albert Einstein, the technology is more valuable than the humanity. Therefore, today I would like to talk about one of the topic from technology, which is cybersecurity. Okay, let me give uh, up a visual about what is my presentation about. Okay, in my first part I will give a little bit of definition about what is cybersecurity, and in my second part I will talk about causes, effects, and some evidence of cybersecurity, and in my third part I will talk about ways of how to overcome cybersecurity cases in Malaysia. Okay, let's jump to the topic. Okay, what means cybersecurity and why it is important? Cybersecurity or electronic information security protects computers, mobile devices, network servers, and data from external attacks. It serves as a security gate to make sure that your information and what you store in your devices is not hackable by outside threats. Okay, why it is important? Cybersecurity. With an increasing number of users, devices, and programs in the modern enterprise, combined with the increased deluge of data, much of which is sensitive or confidential, the importance of cybersecurity continue to grow. The growing volume and the sophistication of cyber attackers and attack techniques compound the problem even further. Okay, first of all, after that, I would like to jump into types of cybersecurity. First types of the cybersecurity is critical infrastructure security. What mean critical infrastructure security? Okay, critical infrastructure protection or security is a concept that relates to the preparedness and responses to serious incidents that involve the critical infrastructures of a region or nation. For examples, hospitals, shopping centers, and traffic lights. And next, what is application security? Okay, application security includes all tasks that introduce a secure software development lifecycle to develop teams. Its goal is to improve security practices and through that to find, fix, preferably prevent security issues within application. For example, antivirus program and firewalls. We can find that antivirus programs and firewalls are nowadays can found in most of the gadgets. For example, computers, smartphones, and iPads, or even though iPhones. Why? Because it is important that every single gadget we use, that it must have application security, or every apps we use must have application security. Why it is important? Because it will avoid from this from our personal information stolen by the cyber criminals. Okay, next I will jump to my next types of cyber security, which is a network security. Okay, what mean network security? Network security consists of policies, processes, and practices adapted to prevent, detect, and monitor uh, unauthorized access, misuse, modification, or denial of a computer network and network accessible resources. Okay, why it is important network security? Because nowadays most of country uses network security as a common or main type of the security. This is because they store all the country's secret in the network security. Okay, next I will jump to the cloud security. What mean cloud security? Cloud or computing security, or more simply, cloud security refers to a broad set of policies, technologies, applications, and controls utilized to protect virtualized IP data application and the associated infrastructure of cloud computing. Okay, why it is important cloud security? Because nowadays we all store our personal information in iCloud, Google Drive. Therefore, it is important that the cloud or the Google Drive must have a security which is called as a cloud security. Okay, next I will jump to the types. I will jump to the causes of cybersecurity. There are five causes of cybersecurity. First of all, I will talk about different types of cyber attacks. Is the one of the causes of cybersecurity. Why? Because there are a lot of cyber attacks nowadays happens in Malaysia and even though in worldwide. Why? Because nowadays cyber criminals can steal your information. For example, they can steal your information about bitcoins and currency for currency transmission, which is a secret that they can sell and make it as a money. Okay, next next I will talk about tech users are vulnerable. Why it is tech users are vulnerable? Okay, everyone in this planet rely on the information on communication technologies, which means give big opportunities for the cyber criminals. Okay, what means that? Okay, it means that there are more chances for the cyber criminals to steal your personal information when you are more use the in for when you more use this technologies or use the application or provide your information to the apps. Okay, next I would like to talk about what mean cloud storage protection. It is one of the causes of cybersecurity. What mean that? It means sensitive information like bank details and password store in cloud storage increase risk of theft. This is because cloud storage protection is used in most of our handphones and iPads and computer, which we will use it to for store our documents and our videos and our passwords, which uh, more can leaks to the cyber criminals. Therefore, it is important that cloud storage protection have in every single devices we use. Next, I will jump to the next point, which is viruses can harm business. Why? Because viruses or computer viruses capable to corrupt our files and systems and make it slow. Why? Because in business we use or we secure our files and system in a safe file in a safe computer. Therefore, when cyber criminals can steal your info in the files and system, it will make that your company in loss of money and you will bankrupt. Okay, next I will talk about one of last causes of cybersecurity. What means the dark web? Okay, as we all know what is dark web. Dark web is known as the illegal operations like drug and human trafficking, illegal weapon distribution, and software distribution done by a uh, illegal government or third party. Therefore, it is important to ensure that the Google or the Google company must have a cyber security to prevent that this dark web can influence the public. Okay, next I will talk about talk about effects of cybersecurity. Okay, there are five effects of cybersecurity. First of all, first effect is it can protect your business. Okay, why it can protect your business? Because it allow employees to surf internet as they need and ensure that they are not in risk. Because nowadays all our companies must have cyber security to ensure that your employees is using the computers as safe as they can and they are not they can not put them in the danger which the cyber criminal can steal their data and the company data. Okay, the second effects of cybersecurity is protects personal info. Okay, why it's protect personal info? Because one of the most valuable thing in the digital age is the personal information. We if a virus capable to obtain personal information, it also have a capable of selling the information. As we know, the cyber criminals can use your information to sell to other companies or maybe to other country, and they will gain the money. Therefore, it is very important to save your personal information as well as you can. After that, I will talk about what is deny spyware. Okay, deny spyware. Okay, or means prevent spyware. What means that? Okay, prevent spyware means cyber infection designed to spy on your computer actions and gather back the information back to cyber criminals. It means one of the method used by the cyber criminals to get or to spy your information on the computer that you used. And the next effects of cybersecurity is prevent adware. What mean prevent adware? Prevent adware is a form of virus which fill our computer and mobile devices with advertisement. We know that nowadays most of our mobile gadgets are, now we can see there are more advertisement. Why there are more advertisement? Because there is some apps gather information where from us. For example, when we search in Lazada about some kind of sports shoe, bicycle, and then jug or what, then we go to the Instagram app, we can see the same sports shoe bicycle advertisement shows in the Instagram. It shows that the applications are sell our information to other applications. Okay, fourth, I mean the last is inspire confidence in customer. One of the effects of main effects of cybersecurity is inspire confidence in customer. Nowadays there are a lot of customers want more security in their bank of in the bank they store money. Why? Because when the bank have they have a high demand of cyber security, the cyber criminals are can or cannot not capable to steal the information or steal the money from the bank. Therefore, it is just for effects of cybersecurity. Next, I would like to jump to the what makes cybersecurity is very important in current digital era. Okay, in the slide that show, there's a number of cybercrime incidents are reported to Cybersecurity Malaysia to MyCert in 2018 by type if crime. Okay, in content related there are 111 cases are reported, and in cyber harassment there are 356 incidents are reported, and denial of service are 10. Fraud will be the highest, which is 5123, and the instruction will be 1160 incidents, and in instruction attempts are 1805 incidents, and in malicious codes are 1700 incidents, and in spam are 342, and in vulnerability reports are 92. And next, I will talk about news report by the Star about cybersecurity cases in Malaysia on 12th April 2020. In 12th April 2020, the Star is cover the cybersecurity cases that rises by 82.5%, which is that day our country, which is Malaysia, on MCO. This means that the Star report shows that on during the MCO, our cyber security cases rise by 82.5% because most of us stay in home and uses our gadgets or computers to do work and to studies. Therefore, that time is the good time for the cyber criminals to steal our data. Okay, next I would like to jump to the ways to prevent cybersecurity cases. There are a lot of ways to prevent cybersecurity cases, but I listed four of them. First of all, use of a full service internet security suite. Why it is? Because when you use a full internet security, for instance, Northern Security provides real-time protection against exiting and imaging malware. And next, I will jump to use strong password. It is because when you use a different type of with password, it will make sure that you are always secure or always secure in time. Next, I would like to talk about keep your software updated, because most of apps nowadays give software update. It is good to we always update our software to stay updated with therefore the cyber criminals cannot steal our personal information. Next is four is the last ways to prevent is manage our social media settings. uh, By keep our manage our social media settings, we will prevent from our cybersecurity cases. Thank you.